प्रविश्यामाचम्मां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधां न अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं गुरुं हि स्वयं दत्तः प्रज्ञाभक्तिविनीतयः कीर्तिश्चाभिव्रता सद्यं तं गुरुं प्रणमाम्यहम् सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. So we have done up to 38. Let us start from 33. किमहं निशमनचिन्त्यं भगवच्चरणं संसारः चक्षुष्मन्तोऽप्यन्धा स्युः ये नास्तिका मनुजाः कः पङ्गुरिह प्रथितः व्रजति च यो वार्धके तीर्थम् किं तीर्थमपि च मुख्यम् चित्तमलं यन्निवर्तयति किं स्मर्तव्यं पुरुषैः हरिनाम सदा नयावनी भाषा मोहिनवाच्यः सुधियाः परदोषश्चादतं तद्वत् किं सम्पाद्यं मनुजैः विद्या वित्तं बलं यशः पुण्यम् कः सर्वगुणविनाशी लोभः शत्रुश्च कः कामः का च सभा परिहार्या हीनाया वृद्धसचिवेन इह कुत्रावहितस्यान्मनुजः किल राजसेवायाम् प्राणादपि को रम्यः कुलधर्मः साधुसङ्गश्च का संरक्ष्या कीर्तिः पतिव्रता नैजबुद्धिश्च कः कल्पलता लोके
कल्पलता लोके
सच्छिष्यायार्पिता विद्या
सच्चिष्यायार्पिता विद्या
ओक्षयवटवृक्षस्यात्
ओक्षयवटवृक्षस्यात्
विधिवत्सत्पात्रदत्तदानं यत् So this has two questions, 91 and 92. Kaha kalpalata loke. So kalpalata is a phrase which is used to refer to vishielding tree. So it is a metaphor. So it is employed to convey something which yields whatever you desire. Okay. Kaha kalpalata loke. So here the answer is Sachishyayarpita vidya. Kalpalata Sachishyaya Arpita Vidya. So this is the answer. Sachishyaya Arpita Vidya. The knowledge which got transferred to a deserving student. Okay, a good student. So this is the answer. So ka kalpalata loke. So loke here in this world. So we have heard of kalpavriksha in Swarga and so on. So here in this world, what is to be conceived as kalpalata? So the answer that he gives is Sachishyaya Arpita Vidya. In fact, the phrase Sachishya is something which is to be carefully understood. Sachishya, even for knowledge which is not pertaining to Atmavidya and so on. So any knowledge, one has to have a student who is able to grasp, who is able to retain, and who is able to employ the knowledge that he has gained for practical utility. So all three things are required. So different things have to be employed at different instances. So as I was mentioning, my father used to joke. So if I ask this boy to go and bring brinjal, so he just brings one brinjal from the market. So if I ask him to go and get pumpkin, so he brings several pumpkins. So because he was told not one is to be brought. So now one has to use one's own discrimination as to what is to be employed where. This is one aspect. The other aspect is the same knowledge can be used for right things as well as wrong things, and therefore people have been extremely cautious in sharing certain knowledge. Okay? So in those days, there were no writing facility. Okay? So one has to retain things in one's own mind. So therefore, medha. In fact, we have this verse in Medhavi Purusho Vidvan Uha Poha Vichakshana is a qualification for a Shishya. So there in the context of Atma Vidya, he is talking. In fact, this is true of other Vidyas also. I will quote you. See, Medhavi Purusho Vidvan Uha Poha Vichakshana. So this is what is the characteristic that is expected of a Sachishya. So Medhavi means, Medha can refer to two aspects. Medha, see in fact we have in Samhita-dhanam, Medhavi Bhuyasam. So what is Medhavi Bhuyasam? Means, see, Dhihi, so Dharanavati Medha. Dhihi Dharanavati Medha. So this is how it is defined. So a buddhi which is able to retain things. So he hears and then forgets. So there is no point. He is not a Sachishya because it cannot be wishielding anyway. After all, what does a guru desire? Guru wishes that the knowledge be transferred. So that it is continuously transferred from generation to generation. So this is all it is desired. So this is what is expected of a student. And this is what Guru desires. Okay? So this Medha, if it is not Dharanavati, then he is not Sachishya. Okay? So he should be Medhavi. So Dhihi Dharanavati Medha. So that is what they say. Of course, Grahanam is also important. Without Grahanam, obviously, Dharanam cannot happen. So Grahanam is taken for granted. And Dharanam is something which is dependent on the student. So some people may be able to retain by doing it 5 times. Some people may be only by 25 times. Some people may be 50 times. But whatever it is, so that has to be served. So Medhavi Purusho Vidvan. Vidvan, see, Vidvan actually refers to, in fact, this is true of even other disciplines. If you look at Jyotish Shastra, if you look at Ayurveda Shastra, everywhere, the qualification of a Shishya will always be defined. So even in astrological texts, so who is the Shishya to whom you can transfer knowledge? So Ayurveda text, who is the Shishya to whom you can transfer knowledge? So Satshishya Arpita Vidya. So for different things are required. So for Vedanta, so for him to be a Satshishya, he has to be Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampanna also. So that is another aspect. But general qualifications, if you just look at Satshishya, in fact, so this person, he should be willing to listen. So willing, see, that is why Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam. Okay, so all 3 things are required. So here, Satchishyaya Arpita Vidya. And another qualification which is being Suchihi Dakshaha. So all those things are stated in those texts. So in astrology, so this person has to be Riju, Suchi, Daksha. So all those things are listed. So Satchishya, in fact, Vidwan, let us see. Vidwan means one who has studied Kavya. In fact, in those days, so Kavyas, Koshas, Vyakarana, then one comes to Shastra. Pranagam Paniniyancha, Sarva Shastropakarakam. So here, Medhavi Purusho Vidvanu Uha Poha Vichakshanaha. See, Uha Poha Vichakshanaha means one who is trained in. See, Uha Apoha. So these are phrases which are, so you have to sometimes use your own intellect to guess certain things. So to eliminate certain things, to involve certain other things in order to get an overall comprehension. So in that sense, he uses Uha Poha Vichakshanaha. So he is a Shishya. Okay. So Uha Poha Vichakshanaha Satchishyaya Arpita Vidya. In fact, this beautifully stated what is required. So Kalpalata, otherwise it will not be Kalpalata. So that there is a nice verse. So in the context of astronomy, let me just tell you, there is a beautiful verse. Pati Kuttaka Bija Gola Nipuno Vedanga Paranga Maha Kavya Alankriti Shilpa Shastra Kushalo Yonyaya Shastra Adivit Siddhantetra Samasta Vastu Sahite Tasyadhikaro Bhavet Chedevam न यथा कथंचिदभिधा मात्रं प्रसिद्धिं नयेत. So adhikari is essentially Satchishya. Understand? Tasya adhikaro bhavet. So here it is Pati Kuttaka Bija Gola Nipunaha. So Pati means arithmetic. So Bija means algebra. So Pati Kuttaka Bija Gola Nipunaha. Spherics, etc. Vedanga Parangamaha, one who has excelled in Vedangas. Kavya Alankriti Shilpa Shastra Kushalaha. He has to be good in Kavya, Alankara and so on. Yo Nyaya Shastra Adivit. It will be knowing Nyaya. Because Kanadam Paniyante Sarva Shastropakarakam. Yo Nyaya Shastra Adivit. Siddhantetra, if you want to study Siddhanta, Siddhantetra Samasta Vastu Sahite. So some elements of various Shastras will always be there in one Shastra. Samasta Vastu Sahite Tasya Adhikaro Bhavet Chedevam. If only such a Shishya is available, okay, then the Shastra will actually be Kalpalata. So it will grow. it will be really wish shielding. So the knowledge has to grow, right? So knowledge has to be transmitted, so it has to be further developed. So that is why Chedevam na yatha kathanchid abhidha matram prasiddhim nayet. Abhidha matram means just literal meaning they will be saying, which may not be really useful and it will not be kalpalata. So it is in that sense. So Sachishyaya arpita vidya. Kakalpalata loki. Then only it will be really wish-shielding. After all, jnana has to be transmitted, it has to be further developed. So this is the purpose of jnana. Okay? In the general context. So Kakalpalata loke Sachishyaya. But in fact, if you look at this mantra shastra, etc., they always say even in Upanishads, see, Etadas Asishyaya nadeyam. Okay. So they will always say, Ganapat Kasavishi, Etadas Asishyaya nadeyam, particularly mantra shastra, Upanishads, etc. Because certain things, it cannot be. So it is like giving the password of an atom bomb. So if you just click that. So one has to be really qualified. So in that sense, Kakalpalata loke Sachishyaya arpita vidya Okshaya vatavriksha syat. See, Akshaya vatavrikshaha. Beautiful usage. Vatavriksha itself, the banyan tree. Okay. So it just grows. So it keeps on going and it provides shelter to so many people. And here he is referring it to as Akshaya. Akshaya Vatavriksha. Akshaya, which means something which will never ever perish, decay. Okay. Okshaya Vatavriksha syat. So there the answer is Vidhivat Satpahatra Dattadanam Yat. Vidhivat Dattam Satpatra Dattam. There are two aspects to it. See, Vidhivat Dattam Satpatra Dattam. In fact, Satpatra Dattam, so it has been repeatedly stated even in Gita. See, Datavyamiti yuddanam diyate anupakarine deshe kale cha patre cha taddanam sattikam smritam. So the other aspect is hadesha kale yaddattam apatre bhastadiyate asatkritam avajñatam taddanam tamasam smritam. So satkritam asatkritam. So this is here Vidhivat. In fact, what is this Vidhi? If you look at, it has been nicely stated, even Dharaniti. Pitham dattva sadhavebhyagataya aniyapaha parinirnijya padau Sukham prishtva prativedyatma samstham tato dadhyadannam avekshya dhiraha. In fact, these are referred to even in the commentary, if I remember right. See, Asatkritam avajñatam. There to go, put in po, take. Okay. So that should not be the adjective. So Pitham dattva sadhavebhyagataya. So, Pitham dattva means, so you offer the seat first. Sadhavebhyagataya aniyapaha parinirnijya padau. It is still followed in some places I have seen. In UP, so these are still followed. Particularly in these villages, they still follow. And some people even follow even US when I went. So there was one Telugu family. So apparently they got trained. So based on what has been stated in the scriptures. So this is a way of respecting the other, showing the respect. So then you offer. पीठं दत्त्वा साधवेभ्यागताय आनीयापः परिनिर्निज्य पादौ. Padau परिनिर्निज्य means so you wash their feet, etc. Padau परिनिर्निज्य padau. There they not only wash. So these people still maintain that in those days people walk, no? So there is no other mode of transport. They walk for kilometers. So therefore, after washing the feet, they also do this massaging of the feet. It's very interesting. So in some of these old people in UP, when I went to these interior villages, so they were doing this. Parinirnijya padau sukham prishtva prativedyatma samsthan. So then you should ask, so are you feeling well, etc., etc. So all those things, sukham prishtva. Tato dadyat annam avekshya dhiraha. So dhiyam ratiti dhiraha. That is how the word dhira comes. So dhiyam irayati. He makes use of the intellect in order to please the one. Dvaram dvaram atan bhikshuhu shikshatyevam nayachate adatva madrisho mabhuhu dattvatvam twadrisho bhava. What a beautiful message. So this poet conceives of the message that we have to learn from. Dvaram dvaram atan bhikshuhu. Bhikshuhu is someone, it can be a mendicant, anybody, okay, brahmachari, whoever. Dvaram dvaram atan sikshati, he teaches you. What does he teach you? In fact, he says he teaches you and not begs. Sikshati nayachate. What does he teach? Adatva madrisho mabhu. By not giving, may you not become like me. Dattvatvam twadrisho bhava. So sharing your resources, may you be like what you are. Understand? So that is why they repeatedly say this dhanam vidhivat. Vidhivat means with due respect. Okay? So the respect can be varying depending upon the individual. But the minimal respect has to be there. Okay? While sharing, and sweet words have to be there. That is why dhanam priyavak sahitam. Earlier we read that. Right? So this kind of a dhanam is like akshaya vata vrikshaha. Akshaya means so it is there forever. And in fact, it is such a deed which has been done. I mean, it is our belief, and in the tradition they always say, so only such act which has been done by our ancestors, so keeps us well today. So, kokshayavata vrikshasyat vidhivat satpatra dattadanam yad. Vidhivat satpatra dattadanam yad. So vidhivat means deshe kale, under certain occasions. So particularly in Punya Kshetra, so certain occasions have been listed in our shastras. Okay, so on those occasions things have to be given. Dattadanam yat. Satpatra also generally is referred to as Vedadhyayi, Shadanga Vedadhyayi, so and Agnihotri and so on. So those who are upholding the lifestyle which has been ordained in Shastras. Okay, those who have been preserving this knowledge. Kokshayavata vrikshasyat vidhivat satpatra dattadanam yat. Read. Kahakalpalakaloke satshishyaayarpita vidya kokshayavata vrikshasyat vidhivat satpatra dattadanam yat. Kim shastram sarvesham
Kim Shastram Sarvesham.
किं शस्त्रं सर्वेषां युक्तिः
युक्तिः
माता च का धेनुः
माता च का धेनुः माता च का धेनुः
किन्नु बलं यद्धैर्यम्
किन्नु बलं यद्धैर्यम् किन्नु बलं यद्धैर्यम्
को मृत्युः यदवधानरहितत्वम्
ओ मृत्युः यदवधानरहितत्वम् ओ मृत्युः यदवधानरहितत्वम्.
There are 4 questions and answers in this. किं शस्त्रं सर्वेषां. See, shastram is by which you can beat others. Okay. In fact, there is a nice verse. विद्या शस्त्रस्य शास्त्रस्य द्वे विद्ये प्रतिपत्तये आद्या हास्याय वर्धत्वे द्वितीया ध्रियते सदा. It is an interesting verse. There are 2 types of vidyas. One is Shastra Vidya and other is Shastra Vidya. Vidya Shastrasya Shastrasya Dve Vidye Pratipattaye Adya, the first one. Hasyaya Vruddhatve. When you become old, it becomes Hasyaspadam. Suppose you learnt archery. So you may be able to practice archery in the real time when you are young. But you grow old, your hand will start shaking. And so this cannot be used anymore. So if you can do long jump, etc., you can do various things, karate, all that. So it's all a certain age beyond which. Whereas Shastra Vidya, see, Hadriyate Sada. So anyway, there is something called Shastram, there is something called Shastram. Understand? So Shastram has to do with this physical thing. Shastram has to do more with intellectual. Okay? So it's not that Shastra doesn't require intellect, but Shastram has to do more with physical strengths. Okay? So Kim Shastram. So the Shastram is used in a metaphorical sense here. Sarvesham Shastram, by which you can beat others. Okay? So Kim Shastram Sarvesham. So there he says Yuktihi. Yuktihi is basically reasoning. Okay? So logical argument, reasoning, etc. So this is Yukti, by which you will be able to beat the other person. Okay? So you can protect yourself. Shastram can be used to protect yourself. So Shastram can be used to hit others also. Both ways. Okay? If you use Yukti appropriately, so then you can protect yourself, you can safeguard yourself from the others. Okay? So if somebody tries to say, this is what you have to do, this is what you have to do. Okay? So if you change from this religion to that religion, God will come and save you. Say. So then you have to protect yourself using Yukti. Understand? You can't simply buy. By buying certain argument, we really fall prey. So therefore he says, this is a Shastram by which you can protect. So reasoning. Kim Shastram Sarvesham, for all people. Okay? Yuktihi Mata Chaka Dhenuhu. Okay? So this Dhenuhu is cow. Mata Chaka for all. Okay? Mata Chaka Dhenuhu. See, the Sarvesham can be taken both. Okay? Sarvesham Mata. Okay? Kim Shastram Sarvesham Yuktihi Mata Chaka Dhenuhu. Kinnu Balam Yadhairyam. So Balam means strength. Okay? So Kinnu Balam is a question. So what is the source of strength? Yad dhairyam. Dhairyam is dhirasya bhavaha dhairyam. Dhirasya bhavaha dhairyam. So what is this dhirasya bhavaha? Earlier we saw the definition of dhira. So dhira is defined in various ways by various people. Okay. So various characteristics to dhira. Okay. In fact, there is a nice verse. So one of the characteristics of dhira is not getting carried away. So as you are pursuing something, okay. There is a beautiful example. Ratnair maharahai stutushurna devaha nabhe jire bhima vishena bhitim sudham vina naprayur viramam na nischita thadviramanti dhiraha. Another way of defining. So nindanta nipunaha, there are various things. So this is from an example he says. See, you know the story of Amritamathanam. Okay. So there he says, Ratnir Maharhaihi. So you have undertaken this in order to accomplish something. So in between certain things came. Ratnaihi Maharhaihi. So they came, so we got this, let us go. So they didn't do. Ratnair Maharhai Stutushurna Devaha. Similarly, incidentally some benefit comes, this fellow leaves and then goes. So the other aspect is Nabhe Jire Bhima Vishena Bhitim. So certain things may frighten us in between. So then also we should not leave. Okay. So like this. So quarantine, so you cannot come inside. But still we have to pursue our studies. See, Nabhe Jire Bhima Vishena Bhitim Sudham Vina Naprayur Viramam. Sudham Vina, so their target was getting the Sudha. So Viramam means till that they didn't take rest. Sudham Vina Naprayur Viramam Nanischitartha Viramanti Dhiraha. That is a Nishchitartha. Until you meet that, you should not leave. And that kind of attitude is what is the strength. So strength means this physical strength doesn't mean anything. So there should be a certain mental strength. See, not to get carried away in between. Not to just get frightened when certain obstacles come, and determined till you reach what you want to reach. Okay. So that is the strength. Kinnu balam yadhairyam. Okay. Ko mrityuhu yadavadhana rahitatvam. See, avadhana rahityam is mrityu. So this is always well known. See. So we have seen this avadhanam is so being actually conscious of what you are doing, what you are speaking, all times. So this is avadhanam. So to whom are we speaking? What are we speaking? What is the context in which we are speaking? So all these things are extremely important. This is what is avadhanam. Okay. So the same kind of words cannot be employed to different people. Right? The same kind of response cannot be given. So this is what is avadhan. See, avadhana rahitatvam. Read. Kim shastram sarvesham yukti mata chaka dhenu kinnu balam yadhairyam ko mrityuhu yadavadhana rahitatvam kutra visham dushtajane
Kutra visham dushtajane कुत्र विषं दुष्टजने
किमिह आशौचं भवेत् ऋणं नृणाम् किमिह आशौचं भवेत् ऋणं नृणाम् किमिह आशौचं भवेत् ऋणं नृणाम् किमभयमिह वैराग्यम्
किमभयमिह वैराग्यम्
किमभयमिह वैराग्यम्
वैराग्यम्
भयमपि किं वित्तमेव सर्वेषाम्
भयमपि किं वित्तमेव सर्वेषाम् भयमपि किं वित्तमेव सर्वेषाम्
एव सर्वेषाम्। So here again there are 4 questions and answers. Kutra visham dushtajane. In fact, we remember we had a verse. It was some reference. If Kim Visham Avadhirana Gurushu is correct, we were looking at a verse. Jnatischedana kim there. See, Jnatischedana kim there. Kim sarpair yadi durjanaha kim udhanair vidyanavadya yadi. See, Vridaha chet kim bhushanai sukavita yadyasya rajye kshantischet kavachena kim. That is how it starts. But here, see, kim sarpaihi yadi durjanaha. So that is why he is saying putra visham dushtajane. Okay? So the point is, this fellow will really poison your mind. So that is the idea. So, putra visham dushtajane. In fact, we have a phrase in Shastras. So the mother, so suppose the boy says, I want to go and eat there. So there is a phrase to explain in Shastras. Visham bhungshva. The mother may say Visham bhungshva. So Visham bhungshva, so she does not want the boy to eat. But then, so going there and then having something is equivalent to having Visham. So their association is Visham. So in order to say that, Visham bhungshva is a phrase that they use. Putra visham dushtajane. Okay. So physical poisoning, so you will be finished. But then mental poisoning, you will be perpetually poisoning others. So therefore, he says, Putra visham dushtajane kimiha ashaucham bhavet rinam rinam. Ashaucham. Okay. Ashaucham, I don't know. What do they call in English? Ashaucham is basically impurity. Okay? Ashaucham. So they have this phrase, Janana Shaucham, Marana Shaucham, and so on, various things. Okay? So Janana Shaucham means for a few days, you are considered impure for certain activities. So Marana Shaucham. Okay? So when somebody passes away, so then also they say this how Ashaucham will be there for a few days. Okay? So this is Ashaucham is basically sort of impurity. I don't know what exactly the phrase in English is. Kimiha Ashaucham. So here he says Bhavet Rinam Rinam. Rinam Rinam. Rinam is debt. Bhavet Rinam. So there cannot be a greater ashaucha than indebtedness. Okay? So this debt is, see, in fact, my grandfather, I remember, was so particular that we should not have debt, we should not have debt, we should not have debt. So these are certain principles which are, see, inculcated when they are quite young. Okay. Kimiha ashaucham bhavet rinam nrinam. But in fact, this rinam is used in a much broader sense in the Veda. Tribhirirnavajayate brahmacharyena rishibhyo yajnena devebhyah prajaya pitirbhyah. In fact, there is a mantra, Jayamano vai brahmanaha tribhirirnavajayate. Even as he is born, so there are 3 deaths that he carries with him. So, and these deaths are actually gotten rid of by involving in certain activities. So, brahmacharyena rishiranam, devaranam, pitirranam. Understand? So, rishiranam is basically the knowledge that you have got. So, it is your duty to carry it forward. Okay? So, brahmacharyena rishibhyaha. He gets rid of that. Brahmacharya is essentially a stage in which he completely dedicates himself to gaining knowledge. Okay, that is the stage. Brahmacharyena rishibhyaha. Then yajnena devebhyaha. So you are blessed with so many things here. So you have to give it back to Deva. So through yajna you do that. This is another pranam. Prajaya pitirbhyaha. Okay. So pitirranam, etc. So through progeny. So that is how he does. So this is kimiha ashaucham. That is why, if you remember, this ऋणमोचन कर्तारः पितुस्सन्ति सुतादयः बन्धमोचन कर्ता तु स्वस्मादन्यो न विद्यते. That is one thing. No. In Chandogya Shashtha beginning, he says, no, Shvetaketurah aruneyaha asa tamhapito vacha Shvetaketo vasabrahmacharyam navai somya asmatpulinaha namuchya brahmabandhuriva bhavati. So vasabrahmacharyam is to get rid of this rina. Okay. So this Rishirinam.
You could have 1 year.
Exactly.
Prashnogan.
Kim abhayamiha vairagyam. Abhayam kim vairagyam. Did we read this verse?
We didn't.
No. It is bhoge roga bhayam.
We didn't.
We didn't read
The
it?
exam it came. We didn't.
Oh, I see. This is a beautiful verse. See, vairagyameva bhayam. That is how it ends. Bhoge roga bhayam kulechhyuti bhayam vitte nripalat bhayam mane dainya bhayam bale ripu bhayam rupe jaraya bhayam shastre vadi bhayam khale guna bhayam gune khala bhayam kaye kritanta bhayam sarvam vastu bhayanvitam govindranam vairagyameva bhayam. Bhoge roga bhayam. So you keep on enjoying, so you may get disease. Gune bhoge roga kule chuti bhayam. So you are a high-born person. So then what may happen? So you may slip someday. Chuti bhayam. Okay. Kule chuti bhayam vitte nripalat bhayam. You have accrued so much of money, okay, black money. Nripalat bhayam. Mane dainya bhayam. So I am enjoying a great position, a great respect. So there may be an occasion in which you become Dina. Mane dainya bhayam. Bale ripu bhayam. Okay. So I am currently the most powerful, then somebody else will come. Rupe jaraya bhayam. This anyway is there. See, so I am having a beautiful form now. My skin is glowing. How long? Rupe jaraya bhayam. Shastre vadi bhayam. I am a great pandit. Unless one more scholar who is superior to you comes. Shastre vadi bhayam. Gune khala bhayam. So you have some virtues. So that may be completely misinterpreted. Yesterday I was telling you, Maunan Mukaha. So the third quarter, I remembered little later. Say, Maunan Mukaha, Hey. प्रवचन पटुर् वातुलो जल्पको वा दृष्टः पार्श्वे वसति च सदा दूरतश्च प्रगल्भः क्षान्त्या भीरुः यदि न सहते प्रायशो नाभिजातः. So if you have a lot of furtherance, so he is a coward fellow, therefore he did not respond. That's what we will say. Whenever he covered like that, you should have told him. So this is what the Yajamana may say. Shantya bhiruhu yadina sahate. See, suppose you hear from the other fellow, this Yajamana receives a call. That fellow was not listening to patiently. So then, hey, are you a ruffian? Don't you know how to behave? He may say, Gune khalabhayam kaye kritantat bhayam. Anyway, so for all of us, काये कृतान्तात् भयं सर्वं वस्तु भयान्वितं भुवि नृणां वैराग्यमेवा भयं. That is what he says. किम भयमिह वैराग्यं. भयमपि च किं भयमपि किं वित्तमेव सर्वेषां. So in fact these two are connected. Bhayamapi kim vittameva. You understand? So each of the things which are listed in the verse, the bhoge, roga, etc., each of them can be taken as a vittam. You understand? It is a wealth. I have the wealth of knowledge. I have this, that, etc. Bhayamapi cha kim vittameva sarvesham. This way we have a nice verse also. Mokshasya hetu prasamo nigadyate. I think vairagyam, that's what it says. मोक्षस्य हेतुः प्रथमो निगद्यते वैराग्यमत्यन्तमनित्यवस्तुषु. वैराग्य अत्यन्तं वैराग्यम् अनित्यवस्तुषु. किमभयमिह वैराग्यम्. read. कुत्र विषं दुष्टजने किमिहा शौचं भवेदणं नृणाम्. किमभयमिह वैराग्यम् भयमपि किं वित्तमेव सर्वेषाम्. ॐ सर्वे सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ